You want to create a still picture montage in your video. You also want all of the pictures to fit in the viewable frame. What should you do? Option A. Resize the pictures to the desired scale by using Photoshop. Option B. Use project settings that will match the size of most of your stills. Option C. Choose Edit Preferences General Default Scale to Frame Size. Option D. Import the pictures and resize them on an individual basis by using the scale parameter in the Effect Controls panel. The correct answer is option C. You want to create a video project that does not conform to common DV, HD or HDV settings. You want to use this project as a template for future projects. What should you do? Option A. Click the Load Preset tab, expand the DVNTSC folder, select the settings that match your video. Option B. Click the Load Preset tab, expand the Adobe HDV folder, select the settings that match your video. Option C. Click the Custom Settings tab, choose the settings that most closely match the attributes of your clip. Option D. Click the Load Preset tab, select the appropriate preset that most closely matches the attributes of your clips. The correct answer is option C. You want to ensure that your video playback is displayed in the program monitor. What should you do? Option A. Select the Desktop Video checkbox in the Playback Settings dialog box. Option B. Select Compatible in the Desktop Display Modes area of the Playback Settings dialog box. Option C. Select None from the Export External Device drop-down menu in the Playback Settings dialog box. Option D. Select the Disable Video Output when Premiere Pro is in the background checkbox in the. The correct answer is option A. You have created an offline project. You need to bring this project into an online editing system, and you need to recapture the files with high-quality settings. To accomplish this, you should use the Project Manager and create a trim project. Option A. Excluding unused clips. Option B. Selecting Make Offline. Option C. Selecting Include Handles. Option D. Selecting Rename Media Files to match clip names. The correct answer is option B.